Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word occurred. My top tip for this video is do not be tricked by how many consonants you see written in this word. It looks longer than it sounds. So here is the script from the dictionary, and as you can see it's a relatively short word. 2 syllables in fact, so don't let the orthography trick you. So what we see here is that the stress is on the second syllable, and we begin with a nice weak schwa, So our stressed syllable is curd. We've got our k, a long vowel, and then that voiced d. Curd. Putting those back together then. Occurred. Occurred. So as I said at the beginning, it looks like it should be longer, but those double C, double R combinations do not double up in terms of sound. Occurred. So if you haven't already, hit subscribe, and if you hit the like button, that's a way of supporting the channel. Leave a comment below if you've got anything you'd like to add, and of course feel free to share this with your friends, family and the wider audience. If you haven't already, check out the homepage. Thank you very much for watching and have a lovely day.